Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning everyone. It's windy. 6 degrees and the weather for today is about 6 degrees. Time check 4:08. So today is Friday, 24th of October. Ayong buntag sa tadaan. Malamig po kami dito. Grabe. Oh, diba? Sinakal ko na yung leeg ko. Kasi kagabi pa malamig sa pag-uwi ko. So, alam ko na. Ngayong umaga. Grabe. Grabe talaga. Tapos, thank God, it's Friday. TGIF today. See you later, everyone, after 6 hours. Whew. Bye at the moment. Keep safe and God bless always. Ayan everyone, good morning sa aking pandesal ng Marks and Spencer. Wait, Rose.
Kunin mo na. Babalik ka na sana kanina naalala mo.
Time check. 10:11. Grabe. Ayan o. Sa malamig na panahon, dito tayo dumaan sa may araw. Kasi ang lamig. Hallelujah. Ayan, siring-siring na naman akong pag maglakad. Everyone. Oh, lamig. Grabe ang lamig. Parang may hawak akong yelo, everyone. So, ayan lang. See you later. Buti may araw dito. Although masulo. Tiisin natin. Bye! Ayan. Si nanay. Ayan mo na muna dyan. Lagay mo lang dyan. Ayan yung kanyang beauty. Ano nga yan? Beauty regimen. May shout out sa may ng Eskinol. 91 years old. Kaya nalaglag na yung suklay niya. Ano pa yan ang kanyang pes. Yan. Ganda, no? Mga everyone. Diba? Tapos hindi na lang siya nakakalakad kasi pinagbawalan ng doktor, baka mabuwal pa. So, pag sinabing cause of death, nabuwal. Aray. Hallelujah. Legs tayo sa kanyang bulaklak.
Ano bang nilagay niya man yan?
O brunch, si nanay. Ay, hindi ako lunch. Si nanay brunch.
Sabi ni Gianna, Mom, maligo ka na, hindi pa na SJ. Ako
Kuwi. Siya pa yung nagmadali. Pa yung nagmadali.
Dati sa kasi, yan.
Good afternoon, everyone. Time check. 3:27. So, pasok tayo again. Thank God it's Friday. Tingnan niya, magandang bulaklak. Ngayon wala na. Nalaglagan na sila. Mga buko na lang. So, That's it at the moment. See you everyone later. After 2 trains and 5 minutes left. Everyone. It's cold. It's cold now. Look at my OTD uploading. Kailangan na mag-cover. Cover your body and protect everyone. First train, everyone. See you later.
This station
Favorite
is
seat, everyone. Oh, second train, everyone. Sure,
Mind the gap between a train and a platform.
way out, everyone. Time check. Oh, 16:02. So that's it. And see you when I see you. See you after 5 hours. Or, I know, 6 hours. Good evening, everyone. Going home. Dito tayo. Ah, okay. Pagod ang paa. Tired feet. Good night. See you later at the caves. Good evening, everyone. Mag-Quaker Oats lang tayo dahil gabi na. Ayan. Gabi na ay gutom na ako. Marami ako mga tinapay. So, ang uwi ko ngayon ay tinapay. So, Quaker Oats. Mainit pa eh. Ang bango pa. Bango. Ayun lang. Good night. God bless. And I love you all.